not all of us have big, beautiful veggie gardens like this one. Some of us are renting and others have really poor soils. So growing veggies like this in containers is the way to go. I've got a couple of tips for you. The first one is plenty of sunshine. Veggies need at least 6 hours of gorgeous sunshine a day. The second tip is I like to actually divide my summer veg into 5 groups: fruiting veg, leafy greens, legumes, herbs, and roots. And the third tip, well, that's the most important one. Let me show you how. Choose seeds that have been specifically bred for containers, like these ones from Mr. Fothergill's. And the containers don't have to be expensive. Cheap and cheerful's the way to go. I just gave these polystyrene boxes a lick of paint, a couple of drainage holes, some good quality potting mix, and away we go. This is my fruiting veg, and I've chosen some zucchini seeds. 2 zucchini seeds in this size container will be absolutely perfect. I really love the variety in this range. It's got everything you need for a fabulous summer veggie patch. And in a trough this size, with my polystyrene once again, and a lick of non-toxic paint, I've chosen it to be my strawberry patch. One of my favourite strawberries is Sweet Temptation. Can you imagine in 3 months' time, with strawberries spilling over the edge? It's going to be absolutely delicious. So for success in your potted veggie garden this summer, choose seeds that are bred for containers. Small in size, but big results.